think that one, the person, like when you turn, I don't like it, I can honestly tell you, like, if I know that you don't speed, think you go to speed, I speed. You speed one side, I speed the other side. Go to the so I think still can speed, but when you're speed, right, you really have to get the ass to turn the hip to make sure that the hip doesn't. Yeah. So I will like, for me, I will like pull the S and green. But when you pull the S, then you have a lack of momentum. But I think still safer than when I try to freaking spin and spin the other way. I will at least pop a ring or something. At least. Maybe you spin into the choke. So far, I only see that girl doing it. My smart ways for someone else. Because I can deny that a lot of Instagram people, they just really go on that. It's not really like, at least the like the meow, they will take over video, then they will show what they do. So because when I see, I think that's a fantastic mistake. I should try it. But like I said, only when it's a desperate situation, when, okay, if two person are spazzing, if I know like I'm going against someone like modern like this isometrics, I will never do it. I know he's going to hold a compress. Yeah. But if like against someone like Mo, I know that he will react to the slightest movement. Because any slightest movement he will try to go into the next situation. Then okay. But with my modern I don't do that. It's going to pass. So like because the speed will make you So imagine at that instance when you try to speed, you try to jump and your shoulder comes. So with that kind of, I don't know what is it called, but I call it spaz escape. It's considered a spaz escape. So with spaz escape, less information, more detail. That's why I think we also have to teach them some flash information. That's why we have because they still not comfortable with their strength and like riding a bicycle is different. was it? Then literally, there was this sound. Then he was like,